of Hugh Johnson Economics. Hugh, so which is it? I mean, has inflation peaked? Are we heading for a soft landing? What do you think?
Well, I do think inflation's peaked. We're going to still have some elevated inflation numbers, and you'll certainly see that in the July number that's coming out on August 10th. You're going to see a pretty high number. It's not going to be too bad. It's not going to be as bad as the last month. But the numbers on a year-over-year basis will remain a little bit on the elevated side, but they're going to be in the process of coming down. So when you get to the fourth quarter, we were 9.1% last month. When we get to the fourth quarter, I think we're going to be looking at 6 to 7% inflation. And when we get into 2023, I think they're going to come down to about 3.5%. So things are headed in the right direction. You saw the numbers from the purchasing managers this morning. You saw the number being a real decline in prices paid. That's a leading indicator of inflation. And that's the kind of thing we are seeing. And it's telling me that inflation is coming down. So I think inflation is coming down. And of course, the economy is very soft. And the only question now, which the markets are asking, investors are asking, is when will the Fed take a hard look at these numbers and maybe pause or take their foot off the brake?
And you're betting it's when? December as opposed to later than that? And do you foresee the Fed actually cutting next year as the bond market seems to?
Yeah, I do see that, John. And what you're likely to see is, first of all, I brought my numbers down for what I expect from the Federal Reserve a little bit, not much. 50 basis points in September, maybe 25 in November, 25 in December, and that will be it. I think about that time they'll be seeing, or they'll be looking at, really soft economic numbers and, of course, a decline in leading indicators of inflation. And I think by the time we get to third quarter of 2023, we're going to reverse all this. In other words, the Federal Reserve will be reducing interest rates, not raising interest rates, or even thinking about raising interest rates. So I think we're headed in the right direction. That's the message of the markets. The markets are telling you that in time, the Federal Reserve is going to, let's say, become a little bit less aggressive. And that's why the markets are performing as well as they are.